Morning guys, 24th of July 2020, COVID times, and today we have left for a place called Dhanachuli next to Mukteshwar in Uttarakhand, and the time now is 6:14. We have just entered into Barapulla road, and now we will go towards Gajraula. We will do a drive-by on a McDonald's, and then reach Dhanachuli around 2 o'clock in the afternoon. The weather should be okay. Scattered clouds, possibility of a shower or a thunder shower. The temperature in Delhi is 28 degrees in the morning, very pleasant, and by the time we are in the hills we should be in early 20s, and the temperature reported in Mukteshwar is in the afternoon is going to be around 14 to 18 degrees. Sit back and relax and enjoy the hospitality of Mittal Airlines. Thank you for choosing us, and we look forward to serving you on other sectors. Almora 46. So guys, we are about to reach Ranikhet. It's around 15 kilometers. The place where we are staying is 15 kilometers from where we are. But I think, as you can see, we've sort of entered Ranikhet already. Morning guys. Welcome to Majkhali, Ranikhet. This is the beautiful cottage where we are. So actually this is the entry point. So because I'm already inside, so I'm showing you the exit, and then I will turn. Jai Sai Ram, Jai Mata. This is the whole cottage. Nice green patch outside. Lovely weather. Has been raining since morning. Now a bit of a sun has come out, and this is this nice place which I have made my workplace, and also we had our breakfast here with this gorgeous view. Now let's get into the cottage. Let's get inside and see. Morning guys.
Morning.
Hi.
Afternoon actually.
Afternoon. Lovely view. The weather is so beautiful, which of course a camera will not be able to capture. Maybe sometime in the future we'll have cameras which will be able to capture weather as well. Weather, odor, smell, everything. I mean, let's wait and watch what will happen. Now this is the master bedroom, and this one has got attached bathroom. As you observe, there's an open kitchen. Lunch is being made, and this is the second bedroom. This is basically where Nakul and Monica slept yesterday. We were in the other one, me and Kunal, and today Me and Nakul will be in the master bedroom. Then again, me and Kunal tomorrow, and likewise. Let's get up and see. This is a nice den. You can just chill. These boys have been sitting here watching movies, and when you sit here, when you lounge on these chairs, and then you can see the view from here. Nice view from here. They've got this nice glass on top, which gives you a nice view, and you can just lounge around, relax. I'm going to be reading my book in the afternoon here. And this is a chair for slightly older people. Only if Harsh had come with us, he would have enjoyed. But maybe Monica will enjoy this chair. Now this is the room on top. So this is going to be essentially the kids' school classroom. From Monday onward, they will sit here and study. So we got these two tables. Nakul and Kunal. Gorgeous view outside this window. Absolutely green, beautiful. And there's a little balcony, a small balcony over here. So we go out and you get the view. So that's pretty much it, guys. Today's our first day here. I mean, we came in yesterday, so today is actually the first day when we are staying here. We will be here for the next 7 days. And in these COVID times, what we've got is we've got a restriction of home quarantine because we did not bring a COVID negative report with us. So what we have is a restriction that we've got to be on the property for the next 7 days. We cannot venture out, which is okay by us. We basically come here to relax and then we go back. And if things are going very well, maybe we will extend the trip, get into Mukteshwar or somewhere else. But of course, I'll keep you apprised. I can see the kids are outside. Hello. Hi guys, we are playing rugby. Great.
No, no.
Be very careful with your throw. Come on, come on.
Kunali.
You have no one to tell me. Not to be thrown like that. I say a bit rough.
Don't throw like that.
आपको ऐसे पकड़ के ऐसे फेंकना।
Spin.
And Fader is changing places conveniently.
तुम मिले हो ऐसे तुम मिले हो जैसे मिल रही हो इत्र से हवा आफिराना सा है इश्क है या क्या है खामोशियों में बोली तुम्हारी कुछ इस तरह गूंजती है कानों से मेरे होते बेसुआदियों में बेसुआदियों में जैसे मिल रहा हो कोई जायका काफिराना सा है इश्क है या क्या है
That's our cottage on the left side, and the car is parked here. I need to come back and put the cover. Hey guys, walking down to the market to get some milk, and it's a beautiful walk, and you get the milk and come back. Till then you can enjoy the view. So guys, like I told you, there was a bit of an issue reaching this place. We had actually booked a cottage in Mukteshwar, but there was some issue with that cottage, so last minute we had to change the plan, and we ended up reaching Majkhali instead of that place. But it's quite enjoyable. The view is very good. I'll just show you the view of the mountain. What a lovely view you get. Woman coming up. Now walking to the market, which is the Majkhali market, and I will just walk up and come back. So just stay put. Let's buy some milk and come back. Lovely view. So our cottage is somewhere around that area, this area. Lovely. Okay guys, so now walking back from the market to our cottage. What I got here is 2 liters milk and this nice pahadi mooli. It is very, very tasty as compared to what we get back in our area. What we get in our area is absolutely tasteless these days. Namaskar. So, kaise hain? So what we get in our area is not nice. It's pretty tasteless, but what you get here is the real thing. And so I bought a lot of it so that we can have it as salad, and also we will try and make some paranthas. So that should be good. Lovely breeze, and lovely breeze coming in. The mountain looking very, very beautiful. So guys, today is actually our third day, and it's been extremely relaxing. Very rarely back home do I sleep in the afternoon, but today I did. So that is something which is very, very good. Namaskar ji, kaise hain? So that is where we are. People here are very welcoming as compared to the normal belief that they don't want tourists to come in yet. I get a different feeling. Everyone is very courteous, very nice, and so that is it. And I will walk you guys back to the cottage now. We are going to be here till this Friday, and that is when we head back home. But I'm already planning the next one. What I'm thinking is that we should plan something around either end of August or mid-September again. It may be again in Uttarakhand, because now I know the process of getting into Uttarakhand in these days, in these COVID times. But what I will also do is I will try and research something in Himachal, so that we get to drive on the other side as well. Whatever we do, we'll let you know. You're like our family, so we'll keep you updated. And again, I'm back to this beautiful area to see this whole expanse of the valley down below and the mountains. Lovely, very, very beautiful. So today the plan is, the beauty also of these places when you rent the entire cottage is that Namaskar ji, is food. I mean, you can decide what you want to eat. So we had some nice omelets in the morning, and then we got some rajma made. Rajma rice was very, very nice. And what we intend doing now in the evening is getting some garlic noodle made. So we'll put a lot of vegetables and some egg in that and make. Of course, the ultimate recipe and some pictures will be shared on my Instagram, so you can follow me there. So guys, I will touch base with you later once we're back at the cottage. Till then, you sit back and relax. Bye bye. Hey guys, so it's very, very nice, relaxing over here. We are in Majkhali Ranikhet, and we have been here for 5 days now. Sadly, 2 days left, so day after tomorrow morning we'll have to start our journey back home. But it's just so relaxing. Just look at the view. Just look at the view, and it's so relaxing, and the weather is so brilliant. It's around 19-20 degrees at this time in the evening. So in any case, the life has to go on. So we get back to Gurgaon on Friday afternoon, and then resume our life back home. I mean, obviously you cherish these moments only because the life back home that you lead as your normal life, and then you come here and spend a week and then go back. So let's see, perhaps we'll do another trip around the end of August, or maybe first week of September, or maybe around my birthday and Kunal's birthday. So we'll keep you apprised. Till then, stay safe, stay home. Bye bye.